Destination Chef'd is a food experience. We want people to travel the world through the recipes that our executive chefs are creating.
This is something that we made with our hands and literally given that to someone else to experience. It's beautiful.
We want to bring a different culture, a different part of the country into an American home. Italian food is very rustic yet elegant. You taste the pride and the love in the food.
You're making it with your hands and having that rustic feel of just having a big bowl of pasta for everybody to share. Nothing can really compete with that.